Lesson 7. Programs and Applications. Understanding application programs, web and local apps. Programs and Applications. Lesson Objectives. In this lesson, you will learn about the wide variety of apps and applications that are available to make you productive. Upon completion, you will be able to describe the difference between apps and applications, identify various types of application software and the tasks for which they are suited, understand and use web apps, use an app store to browse and find apps, install, delete and recover apps, describe the strengths and weaknesses of apps and applications. Understanding apps and applications. Apps, web apps, online apps, applications. All these terms describe software that we use to accomplish various types of tasks. For the purpose of our discussion, applications, or application software, are complex programs designed to be used with a mouse and keyboard. They require a fair amount of system resources and they perform a wide range of functions. A web browser is an example of an application program. You can use it to navigate the web, download files, play videos, send and receive email, chat with friends, check the weather, look up directions, print a map, perform banking transactions, make online purchases, and the list goes on and on. Application programs. Software is introduced in computing fundamentals, including how to obtain, install, and manage application programs. An application program must be compatible with your hardware and operating system, and programs have specific requirements for processor power, video resolution, and memory. Word processing. A word processing application enables you to create, edit, save, format, and print documents. Most word processing programs also allow you to insert pictures and other objects. You can use a word processing application to create letters, memos, invoices, faxes, articles, and sometimes basic web pages, newsletters, forms, brochures, or flyers. Lesson 8. Programs and Applications. Understanding application programs, web and local apps. Programs and Applications. Lesson Objectives. In this lesson, you will learn about the wide variety of apps and applications that are available to make you productive. Upon completion, you will be able to describe the difference between apps and applications, identify various types of application software and the tasks for which they are suited, understand and use web apps, use an app store to browse and find apps, install, delete and recover apps, describe the strengths and weaknesses of apps and applications. Understanding apps and applications. Apps, web apps, online apps, applications. All these terms describe software that we use to accomplish various types of tasks. For the purpose of our discussion, applications, or application software, are complex programs designed to be used with a mouse and keyboard. They require a fair amount of system resources and they perform a wide range of functions. A web browser is an example of an application program. You can use it to navigate the web, download files, play videos, send and receive email, chat with friends, check the weather, look up directions, print a map, perform banking transactions, make online purchases, and the list goes on and on. Application programs. Software is introduced in computing fundamentals, including how to obtain, install, and manage application programs. An application program must be compatible with your hardware and operating system, and programs have specific requirements for processor power, video resolution, and memory. Word processing. A word processing application enables you to create, edit, save, format, and print documents. Most word processing programs also allow you to insert pictures and other objects. You can use a word processing application to create letters, memos, invoices, faxes, articles, and sometimes basic web pages, newsletters, forms, brochures, or flyers.
Created using
Word processing. Popular word processing applications include Microsoft Word by Microsoft. Word is a word processing application that you can use to type and format text and images for a variety of documents. Advanced features help you create tables, indices, and outlines. WordPerfect by Corel. WordPerfect was one of the first highly successful word processors for DOS and Windows-based systems, and it has also been available for a wide variety of operating systems. Pages for Mac by Apple. Pages for Mac is a powerful word processor that you can use to create documents on Mac and on iOS devices. Design tools allow you to create charts, tables, bidirectional text, and more. Desktop publishing. A desktop publishing (DTP) program enables you to manipulate large amounts of text and graphics that require a specialized page layout or structure, and then send the finished product to be printed by a dedicated printing service. Desktop publishing. Microsoft Publisher, produced by Microsoft and included in some Microsoft Office suites. Publisher is an easy-to-use, lightweight alternative to professional layout software such as Adobe InDesign or Quark Express, and is well suited for home users and small businesses. It includes typography tools and a large selection of templates. Adobe InDesign, produced by Adobe Systems. InDesign can be used to create posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, and books. InDesign can also publish content suitable for tablet devices in conjunction with Adobe Digital Publishing Suite. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheet programs perform mathematical calculations, help you analyze data, and produce graphs, charts, and diagrams. If you need to track numbers or analyze information for trends or patterns, a spreadsheet is a good choice. Spreadsheets provide the ability to sort, find or filter information, and are very useful for managing and manipulating large amounts of data.
created using Powtoon.
Spreadsheets. Popular spreadsheet programs include Microsoft Excel by Microsoft. Excel is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is a spreadsheet application that runs on Windows, Mac OS X, Android, and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Quattro Pro by Corel. Quattro Pro is a spreadsheet program sold by Corel, and often packaged as part of the WordPerfect Office suite. It was originally designed for DOS systems, but runs on Windows. Graphic design and image editing. Graphic design is the process of communicating through visual elements such as typography, color, space, and images. Graphic designers use various methods to create and combine words, symbols, and images to create a visual representation of ideas and messages. Graphic design software is used to create page layouts, logos, branding, posters, billboards, website graphics, and more. Popular graphic design/image editing applications include Adobe Illustrator by Adobe Systems. Illustrator is a program used to create vector images. A vector image is an image generated by a mathematical algorithm, as opposed to a pixel-based image, which is composed of individual pixels. Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems. Photoshop is used to modify images like graphics or photos that were created with a camera or an image creation program. Photoshop images are pixel-based, and you can use Photoshop to create raster graphics and bitmap images. Microsoft Paint/FreshPaint by Microsoft. Paint is a simple computer graphics program that has been included with all versions. Web development. Web development programs automate much of the process and help you keep your images, pages, and other elements organized and accessible. Most web development tools provide a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, environment and write and apply the appropriate web markup code automatically as users apply formats and styles with a toolbar. These applications allow you to lay out pages, insert text and images, add hyperlinks and alternative text, use styles in cascading styles sheets, link to databases, and insert audio and video clips.
Created using
Popular web development packages include Adobe Dreamweaver by Adobe Systems. Dreamweaver is a software program for designing web pages and is a full-featured HTML web and programming editor. Dreamweaver supports multiple web and programming languages and enables users to develop websites and mobile applications. Microsoft Visual Studio by Microsoft. Visual Studio is a complete set of development tools for building ASP.NET web applications, XML web services, desktop applications, and mobile applications. Microsoft Web Matrix by Microsoft. Web Matrix is a free, cloud-connected website builder and HTML editor for Windows. It includes built-in templates, coding, customization, and publishing capabilities all in one place. Video editing refers to the process of manipulating video images. Decades ago, video editing was performed on expensive video editing machines, but video editing software is now widely available for personal computers. Popular video editing applications include Adobe Premiere Pro by Adobe Systems. Premiere Pro is a timeline-based video editing software application that runs on Mac and Windows. It supports a wide variety of video and audio file formats, and is integrated with other applications in the Adobe Creative Suite. Sony Vegas Pro by Sony Creative Software. Vegas Pro features real-time multi-track video and audio editing and allows you to add complex effects such as surround sound. Up to version 10, Vegas Pro runs on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. iMovie by Apple. iMovie is a video editing application that runs on OS X. It imports video footage from video cameras via USB or FireWire, or it can import video and photo files from a hard drive. Once you import, you can edit photos and video clips, add titles and themes, make color corrections, and add music. It includes video enhancement tools that let you add transitions such as fades and slides. Presentation. Presentation programs allow you to share information in the form of a slideshow. These types of applications include a slide editor that allows you to create and add text to slides, as well as features that allow you to insert and manipulate graphic images. Most presentation applications allow you to add text, formatting, charts, diagrams, tables, images, and even sound and video clips to slides. Popular presentation applications include Microsoft PowerPoint by Microsoft. Part of the Office suite, PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program that allows you to create slides and presentations, embed images, audio and video, create speaker notes, and print audience handouts. It is integrated with other applications in the Office suite, allowing you to create tables and spreadsheets from within the application. Keynote for Mac by Apple. Keynote is Apple's equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint. Like PowerPoint, it includes integrated chart and table tools, and allows you to add transitions and special effects. It also includes graphics tools and templates. Web apps. Web apps are applications, both the lightweight and the more complex variety, that run on the World Wide Web. These apps do not run directly on a device, nor do they require installation. They are accessed over the internet and provide some of the same functionality as installed versions of the software. Microsoft calls their web apps online apps, and some users refer to web apps as software as a service, SaaS. because the functionality of an installed software program is delivered to you over the internet as a service via your web browser. Microsoft OneDrive is discussed in Computing Fundamentals. Another well-known and widely used platform for web apps is Google Drive. Google Drive. Google provides a suite of productivity apps that are linked to its online storage service, Google Drive. These productivity apps are Google Docs, an online word processor that lets you create and format text documents and collaborate with other people in real time. Google Sheets, an online spreadsheet app that lets you create and format spreadsheets and simultaneously work with other people. Google Slides, an online presentation app that lets you create and edit slides and insert images and video. Log into your Google account, click the Google Apps icon at the upper right corner of the browser window to display the Google Apps menu, then click Drive to view your online storage drive. To use the integrated productivity apps, click New. The productivity apps appear at the bottom of the menu. Click the app that you want to use to create a new document. As you work in your document, all changes are automatically saved to Drive. Local apps. In contrast to web apps, local apps are installed on a device and run directly on that device. As such, they are designed to run on specific devices and are written for specific operating systems such as iOS, Windows, and Android.
App stores. Different platforms utilize different app stores. App store name, Google Play Store, or simply, Play Store. Platform, Android, nodes and devices. The Play Store is operated by Google. Android phones and Google TV devices include access to the Play Store. App Store, iOS. The App Store is operated by Apple. Apps can be downloaded directly to iOS devices such as iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad tablet. Windows Store, Windows. This App Store is operated by Microsoft. You can get apps for your Surface Pro or Windows. App Store for Android, via Amazon. Android. This is an app store for Android devices, operated by Amazon.com. BlackBerry World, BlackBerry. This is an app store for BlackBerry devices. Productivity/communication apps. Gmail. Use this app to log into Gmail and access your mailboxes, messages, shared documents, social network notifications, and whatever else you have connected to your Gmail account. Google Hangouts is a unified communication service that lets you participate in text messaging, voice, and video chats. Line is a communications application that lets you exchange text, images, video, and audio, and conduct free phone calls and video conferences. Skype. It is used to exchange text, images, video, and audio, and conduct free phone calls and video conferences. Pages. This is a word processing app developed for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It runs on the OS X and iOS operating systems. Office Mobile. These are mobile Microsoft Office apps that allow you to access, view, and edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents on your phone or tablet. Word. This mobile app brings Microsoft Word to your mobile device. Content apps. Content apps aggregate, group together, news and information and present them to you on your device whenever you launch the app. CNN brings news headlines, alerts and stories to your mobile device. Fox News also brings news headlines, stories and video clips to your device. Google displays local weather and traffic conditions and news headlines. New York Times brings content from the New York Times newspaper to your device. Wikipedia Mobile. Use this app to view Wikipedia. Creativity apps. Creativity apps are those that allow you to be creative or to use tools in a creative manner. Afterlight. This is an image editing app that can shoot and edit images with this photo editor app. Draw Something. This app is a game in which players take turns drawing a picture to represent the guess word for his/her partner to guess. Smart Tools. This app lets you use your smartphone as various types of tools, such as a level, a flashlight, a ruler, magnetic field detector, and so on. Social media apps. Social media, or social networking, sites are websites you can join to connect with people and share pictures, video, or text about yourself, your interests, and your thoughts. Facebook. Use this app to log into your Facebook account and view your page and other people's pages, to post comments, view notifications, and so on. Twitter. Use this app to log into your Twitter account. You use Twitter to send and read short 140-character messages called tweets. Registered users can read and post tweets, and unregistered users can only read them. Instagram. Instagram is a social networking app designed for sharing photos and videos from a smartphone. Everyone who creates an account has a profile and a news feed, and when you post a photo or video, it will be displayed on your profile. Audio apps. Audio apps facilitate the streaming and playing of audio content on your device. Audible provides spoken audio entertainment through digital audiobooks, radio, and TV programs and audio versions of magazines and newspapers. iTunes Music. Use this app to access Apple's streaming music catalog and stream songs to your device. Pandora. Use this app to stream radio station-style music from Pandora's servers. You create custom radio stations by selecting genres of music, artists, albums, and even specific songs. Spotify. Use this app to stream music from a library of over 20,000 songs. There are free and subscription-based versions of the app, and both include a radio feature that creates a random playlist of songs chosen based on specified genres and decades.
Created using Powtoon.